Welcome guys. I'm back with another video. I'm actually running 3 cameras right now. As you can see, I have a different setup. So this is a little ride along. I'm about to pick up another student right now. I went to the road test today. I took 3 students and they were all unsuccessful on the road test. They were not too happy about it, but you know, it happens. So right now I'm on my way, like I said, to pick up another student. And you know, I decided to record this to see how my my camera setup is going here. So I don't know what this video is gonna look like until I get home. Once I edit this video, I'm gonna upload it. And of course, if you're seeing it right now, it has been uploaded. So just letting you guys know that I am going to be filming with this new setup. 3 cameras in the car. Awesome setup. I like it a lot. Alright, hand over hand technique. There you go. Notice how I turn the wheel. See, me as an experienced driver, a lot of times I'll just drive with one hand. But you know, I gotta show a perfect example, or show an example for you guys, right? Right turn signal. Oh, I think this is closed. Oh no, this is open. All right. Yep, they're repaving these roads, guys, and it's terrible looking right now. All right. Wow, this road is very, very bumpy right now. I don't know if I'm getting a lot of camera shake on the camera that you could see the steering wheel. Or this camera right here. Alright, so let's see. I'm very curious to know how this video is going to come out. So what's happening is that I'm recording with 3 cameras. So I'm going to have to delete the audio of 2 of them, so that way there's not like a echo sounding in the car. You know, video editing is fun. I like it a lot. Alright, I'm looking left, right, left. This is a one-way to the right here, going to the left. I'm gonna make a right turn, put my right turn signal. I don't have a stop sign. Oh, it's closed, so I cannot make a right. I'm gonna continue going straight. A lot of road construction around here. So this is Bronx, New York, guys. Bronx, New York. Alright. Move forward. It's not raining. Why do I have this on? It's not raining, it's not raining, it's not raining. You know, making these YouTube videos, they're fun, you know. Alright, right turn signal. I'm gonna go over to the right here. There you go. There's a stop sign. I want to stop before the line. Remember, stop means stop, like I said in that video. And continue forward. Alright, I'm looking over my left shoulder. I'm going to continue straight. Look at this guy right here. Alright. And that's it, guys. This is going to be my pickup location for my next student. So, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good one, guys. Be safe out there. Good luck.
Bye.